Hello everyone, welcome back to another trading session. In today's video, we will take some beautiful trades, and in this session, I will try to take all the trades with margin of safety. First of all, I will explain you what do I mean by margin of safety. Okay, I go with the bars right here. Okay, as you can see, the candle moved so much to the downside, and then I entered instead of entering immediately. Okay, this is called taking a margin of safety. This area is my safe area. So if the candle is closing above this entry, this is called taking a trade with margin of safety. But first of all, you have to have your reasons to take the trade, okay? For example, in this case, I considered that we are in a pretty big range, okay? And as you can see, there's not a, look, two red, and now I was expecting this one to also be two red candles, and then we have a green one, okay? So this is a ranging market, and market sequence work best in ranging markets. Let me see. Okay, that's why I took this trade, but I didn't enter immediately, because if you look at the previous candles, we see every single candle has at least this much of a shadow. So we will consider taking a trade with marginal safety, okay, and enter at a safer place. For example, entering at a support area, okay? Place your entry here. Or if there's a round number, place your entry below the round number, because there's most likely they're going to reject to the upside and it's going to close as your winning trade, okay? So this one, I feel like it's going to be, if this candle is a red one and closes below, I will take a buy, okay? Okay, we have this gap down and it's a confirmation. I will wait for this one to come down and then I will enter, okay? I'm not going to enter immediately. Let's go. I entered at the support area. This is called margin of safety. And this makes your trade so much safer. You might miss a couple of trades, but you're going to take some good entries, okay? But I also want to explain why this candle is red, okay? If you look at this area, I zoom in, look at this area. This is a gap up. You already know the gap up here is in the favor of sellers. So sellers are going to enter. And I wouldn't take this trade at all if I wasn't about to take with marginal safety. All right. So if there was a gap down, it would go up 100% and it would be a big candle too. All right. Man, I'm so confused with this zoom thing. Okay. And this trade is a third touch support, okay? And we can see this hammer on a support area. So seeing hammer in a support area means a reversal, right? And then we see this gap down this time. So it's in the favor of buyer. So I take this trade. But I took my trade with margin of safety at the support area. I didn't enter immediately, okay? Now I will look for other opportunities. Margin of safety can have some significant effect on your trading results, okay? Look at this. First touch, second touch, third touch is breaking that one. If you look, this line is being broken, and we have also this high, right? So this is a successful breakout trade, and we should enter with marginal safety below this round number. Okay, so if I was going to take this, if I was I was looking this chart a bit faster, I would see this opportunity and take my entry below this round number. Okay, safest possible entries. Let's just move on and find some good setups. But remember, you have to have your setup first and then look for better entry with marginal safety. Okay, I'm going to mark this area. Okay, this is a QM, right? Okay. For QM trades, you don't need to use margin of safety because the entry is very precise for the QM that you don't need margin of safety. But for the other setups, other than QMs, you need margin of safety, okay? I will draw everything for this QM. This area is a hell of entry. Let's just check the confirmation first. Oh shit. Yeah, we have 5-minute engulf, 1-minute setup, and this is a demand area right here, so the entry is going to be inside of it. Yeah. This is my safe place to take this trade right here. We'll make this red, go lower. I actually prefer this one, because it's gonna have reaction from this 100%. I will set an alarm here, so we come back to the chart right at the moment that it's gonna reach to this area, okay? So this is how okay, look at this, another QM, 3 minutes. We don't have 5 minutes, we have, and then we go lower, we have the fresh supply area. For the QM trades, you don't need to care about margin of safety, okay? All right. Let's move on. Look at this one. There was also another QM that reacted from that. Okay, we're about to break a doji here, okay? Oh man, hold on. I entered right here. 3, 2, 1. All right. This was the QM trade that we just marked. Let's go back to the, where was it? Holy shit. Okay. Yeah, look at this one. I guess we missed this opportunity. No problem. This is a doji break, right? So if I want to take my trade on this one, I'm not going to enter immediately because we might have a red one. Who knows, right? So we look at the chart and see how long are the shadows on the previous candles. So we have a bit of, you know, every single candle has shadows from the upside, from the downside. So we try to see what is average shadow on the candles. So average shadow is something around this much. So we enter, see the round number, we enter, we set our entry below the round number, or if there's any support area, on the support area, or below the support area. The thing is, we're looking for better entry, just in case if we have a red one, we still win the trade if we have a better entry, okay? This was a good one. Let me see how many trades. All right. I'll look for other opportunities. And I also wanted to have a special thank you for your support, guys. We're hitting some crazy amounts of views and subscribers and all that. I really appreciate that. And also, for those who are asking about the Telegram channel, I don't have a signal channel. I don't sell signals. Okay, I don't like it. But you can join to my Telegram channel. I share some stuff sometimes for free. Okay, and also I share my students' results. All right. All right, this is the QM forming down there. All right, the engulf is about to close. So engulf hasn't formed yet. We need to wait this one to close, and then we will have the QM inside of it, just like that. Go to lower time frame, see fresh. Oh yeah, this is the fresh demand area for this QM. Set an alarm here. Let's go. This is my initial zone, okay? And just try it for those who don't know that how this works. The entry should be below the initial zone, okay? You can watch the QM video. It's a full guide of QM video. It's going to pop up at the end of this video. And watch and learn about the QMs. All right. Okay. All right, I'm going to take this trade with the sellers. I'm kind of feeling like I'm going to miss this opportunity for some reason if I want to wait for the margin of safety. This is a doji break again, and this is a third touch breakout as well. I really want this one to close above. Yes, it closed above. I will enter, yeah, let's go, on this round number. Okay, as a margin of safety. I should have my entry above the round number, but yeah, this is, I was scared to miss this opportunity. Okay, the candlestick chart is so flexible. This is basically my trading style that I teach my students as well, that we need to combine things. Oh shit, hold on. This isn't my entry, but today I already fulfilled my target and I don't want to take this trade, okay? Let's just go back to, yeah, see how beautiful rejected. I was explaining this one. We need to combine things. For example, here we combine this doji break with this third touch breakout, okay? If you look, you know that this is a third touch breakout, you know? Second touch, lower low, second touch, lower low, see? And then the third touch is breaking that one. So this is without a combination. If we have a doji inside of it, it's double confirmation for us to take the trade. Or maybe some, you know, red-green pattern, or I don't know, ABC break, or different stuff you can combine and take your trade. Okay, and about the QM trade that we didn't take, let me just see, where was it? This one's also coming down. Yeah, this QM trade was also clean, okay? But I was about to end this trading session right here. So if this was by any chance, okay, let me just see. All right, I'm gonna take this one instead. Do one. Nope. I will enter with margin of. Okay, I was about to take this trade with margin of safety down here because the candle already closed here. Okay, we don't want to enter at the last 4 seconds of the candle. If you enter the last 4 or 6 seconds of the candle, it's going to count on the next candle. Okay, this is what you should be careful about the QMs. This is going to go off for sure, but I was about to enter with margin of safety down here because this is support. Entering with margin of safety is going to help you win this trade. All right, I'm going to stop this trading session right here. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching, everybody. Peace out.